I cannot believe this is banana bread without sugar, and these are the ingredients. Do you know how much I love an easy recipe? Well, this is definitely one of them. It is so easy, you just have to mix all the ingredients together and allow it to bake in the bread machine. Let me show you all the steps. First, I crush the nuts and then I mix the bananas with the eggs, and I will add a pinch of salt. I am sifting the flour, and in the meantime I realized I didn't have the blade of the bread machine, so I'm going to move all the ingredients to my kitchen aid. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients inside the mixing bowl. Please note that all gluten-free flours, they don't like to dance too much, so please don't overmix them. I just want to make sure that all the ingredients are well blended with each other. Now I will pour the dough back to the baking tray of my bread machine. 2 pounds and a medium. So easy, the settings are done. When I come back, my banana bread is ready. Now I'm going to place in a cooling rack, and it's so perfect because this is just so good, so useful. I will leave the link below. Smells so good. It's really delicious and it won't last long.